Hey guys, what is up? I am currently in my room, obviously. Kind of scooched off to the side because I wanted to sit right here, and then I tried to move my dog and she literally attacked me. But that's just what kind of animal she is. She does that all the time. You know what, if you don't believe me, I'm gonna pick her up right now. So, I'm just not dealing with that today. So she's just gonna sleep. She's gonna be a little brat. It's fine. Yes, she is a miniature little wiener dog, but she scares the absolute crap out of me sometimes. Anyways, also, funny story, the last video I filmed, I was my Black Friday haul, and I literally said it was dangerous buying this jacket because that's all I'm gonna wear for the entire winter. And it's funny because, well, I wasn't lying. Ever since Black Friday, there has not been a day that went by that I've took this jacket off. So it's been 3 days and we're already facing problems. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. So anyways, this video is going to be kind of my spa-ish night routine. Not really spa, spa at home, home spa, spa home. Moving on. So I just took off all my makeup and I was about to put on a face mask and take a bath, and I was like, okay, for everyone else who wants to relax, because usually I watch YouTube videos when I'm taking a bath and stuff, and I was like, oh, I like to watch YouTube videos of other people relaxing, so why don't I make a YouTube video of me relaxing? It may be stupid, but I don't really care. It's just what I want to do, so it's what we're gonna do. If you want to see what I do for a relaxing night at home, then just keep watching. Okay, so I just got out of the bath, took off my mask. I liked that mask. It tingled, it felt a little weird, but that's okay. Came back, my dog was gone. So night's just getting better and better. So next what I'm going to do is I decided to paint my nails, not my nails, my toenails. Ew, I don't like that word. Is that weird? Paint my toes. And I'm painting them the same color as my nails, which is this brownish. It almost has a purpley color to it. Mink Muffs 624, and it's a Essie nail polish. It looks like this. It's really pretty. So adding to my spa night, I was like, I have to paint my nails. I feel like a real boss girl right now, you know, when you're just getting the works done. And also, the water up at my school is nasty and it is turning my teeth yellow. So I have a whitening strip that I'm going to use, and I figured for however long I need to keep it on my teeth, that's probably how long it's going to take me to paint my nails. So that's perfect for me. So I'm just going to pop these on my teeth real fast. So I got these on my teeth. Cute, right? Ugh. I have to keep these on for a while, and I'm sorry about my voice. I am going to chill out, watch, I sound freaking crazy right now. I can talk normally. Oh, I think I can pretty much, yeah, I could have talked normally pretty much the entire time. This is all messing. I'm just gonna paint my nails and watch some YouTube and I'll be back because this is why. The lisp. The lisp is what is getting me right now. So, painting my nails, watching that good old YouTube. Where's my computer? Been about like 30 minutes. Oh man. It like leaves a weird film on my teeth. And I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to like brush your teeth afterwards or anything, like, cause I brushed mine before. It feels a little funky, that's all I'm gonna say. I finished painting my nails too, in case you want to know. And then I really need to apply some moisturizer onto my legs because they are a little dusty. I'm using a pomegranate citrus lotion from Bath and Body Works, and wow, I really need to shave my legs. I have no idea. I honestly want to say that that is probably, does it have like the date on it? Do these things expire? How old is that? I'm gonna say that it's 7 years old. I'm not even kidding. I mean, if you know me, then I'm pretty sure you believe that it's 7 years old because that might not come as a shocker to you. It still has a price tag on it, and it said it was $10.50. I wonder how much they are now, because I feel like the price is definitely not $10.50 anymore. I'm actually really curious. I'm gonna look it up now. Do they even have this scent anymore? Pomegranate citrus? It smells good. They're $12.50 now. Price went up by $2 whole. The nerve. I see you, Bath and Body Works. I see what you're doing. You're slowly raising the prices, but no, you didn't think people were gonna have lotion from 7 years ago, but I do, and I'm onto your tricks, and I'm still gonna buy your lotion, but just want to let you know I'm not happy about it. I think that's all I really am gonna do tonight because I am pretty tired now. So that's basically what I do when I just want to have a nice, relaxing night to myself. I love face masks and all that stuff, so I'm glad I took you guys with me so I wasn't so bored and alone, even though you should be alone when you're in the bathtub. But anyways, it's just getting late. I need to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna like some of my other videos. So you should totally check those out and consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed, then I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.